start.
My name is Victoria. Thank you, Mr. Greg, for paying our school fees, for making me go to school again. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
My name is Ezekiel I. William. I am a boy. Thank you, Mr. Greg, for paying our school fees.
So you are happy because you'll be going to school today, all because of Mr. Greg, right?
Yes.
So, what class are you?
Class
Class 6. Which school are you attending?
Donetsk
Preparatory School. And you? What's your name?
Ezekiel I. William.
Ezekiel I. Dumbuya. And what class are you?
Class 5.
Class 5. What school are you attending?
Class Church Primary School.
Okay. How are you, sir?
I'm fine, I do.
Okay. Who are you?
My name is Africa India.
Oh, Mr. Africa.
Yeah, Africa.
I see you are very, very, very much happy this morning. Why?
Well, I received the help from a friend, Greg.
Greg.
Yeah, the help so much sweet
Okay.
in my mind.
Okay.
Yeah, so glad.
Which help are you talking about?
About the kids from the school.
Okay. You are saying he assisted in sending your children back to school.
Yeah.
Okay, but we understand the government of Sierra Leone has declared free quality education. And here you are talking of school fees and the like. What are you saying? Are you saying the free education is not a reality of what the people are saying?
Yes, to me, I just feel like that because if me pay, I pay for about 120,000. I pay for shoes. I pay for books. I pay different kind of courses.
School charges.
School charges. And the only free education I pay, almost 35,000 for this kid in the school. Then you tell me free education. So I told you that. How can I say about this free education?
Okay. And I understand the free education is only targeting government-assisted schools.
Yeah.
And your children are attending private school.
Yeah.
Meaning they are not beneficiaries of the free education.
At all.
Wow. And I understand these kids are paying up to $1 million for their fees. The government is not doing anything with regards to that.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
We hope our good friend, our humanitarian, will continue to do more for the children of this great country.
That's what.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you.